the savory flavors. This is the fourth week of chutney series in which I will be sharing different chutneys recipes which can be served as side dish for idli, dosa, vada, uttappam, etc. Today we are going to make three different chutneys. First one is Nuvulapappu Pachadi or sesame seeds chutney. Second one is Pudina tomato pachadi or mint leaves tomato chutney, and third one is Allam Pachadi or ginger chutney. Hope you would love the taste of these chutneys. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description.
The aromatic, tangy, savory, spicy and sweet taste of any chutney enhances the flavors of a simple dish into a delicacy. Chutneys have a distinct taste that can be used as a spread or a dip, and they also help to promote appetite and support digestion. Tadka or tempering on a chutney is a must on most of them, which gives the dish an extra zing. Andhra cuisine is famous for its spicy powders and chutneys. When you go to any South Indian restaurant, you are sure to find a variety of delicious chutneys being served along with your favorite tiffin. Serve them with any Indian breakfast like soft idli, crispy dosa, fluffy vada, pongal, uttappam, or evening snacks like sandwiches and pakoras. A thick chutney also goes well with rice. Let's see how to make sesame seeds chutney. Let's see the ingredients. Sesame seeds 1 cup, tamarind pulp of medium lemon size tamarind, salt 2 teaspoons, green chillies 8, oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 2 teaspoons, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon, red chillies 4, curry leaves few. Take sesame seeds, green chillies, salt and tamarind pulp in a mixie. Grind them into semi-thick paste by adding little water. You can make chutney thin by adding more water. Place a small ladle on stove at low flame for tempering. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida and pieces of red chillies. Stir once and fry till mustard seeds crackle. Add curry leaves. Stir once and fry for a minute. Switch off stove and pour tempering on chutney. Mix well. Chutney consistency will be like this. That's it. Delicious and tasty sesame seeds chutney is ready to eat. Serve it hot with idli, dosa, vada, uttappam, etc. You can also relish this chutney by mixing in hot steamed rice along with little ghee. Let's see how to make mint leaves tomato chutney. Let's see the ingredients. Tomatoes 4 cups cut into medium size pieces. Mint leaves 2 cups. Tamarind small lemon size. Green chillies 10. Salt 2 teaspoons. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic cloves 14. Oil 3 tablespoons. mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon, red chillies 3, curry leaves few. Place a pan on stove at medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add mint leaves. Stir once and fry for 2 minutes. Keep stirring at regular intervals. Add tomatoes, salt, turmeric powder, tamarind and green chilies. Mix well and let them cook. Keep stirring at regular intervals and cook till tomatoes become soft. Once tomatoes are soft like this, then switch off stove and let them cool. Take them in a mixie and add garlic cloves. Grind them into semi-thick paste without adding water. You can make chutney thin by adding little water. Place a small ladle on stove at low flame for tempering. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida and red chilli pieces. Stir once and fry till mustard seeds crackle. Add curry leaves. Stir once and fry for a minute. Switch off stove and pour tempering on chutney. Mix well. Chutney consistency will be like this. That's it. Tasty and mouth-watering mint leaves tomato chutney is ready to eat. Serve it with hot idli, dosa, vada, uttappam, etc. You can also relish by mixing it in hot steamed rice along with little oil. Let's see how to make ginger chutney. Let's see the ingredients. Ginger 100 grams, peel the skin and chop into small pieces. Jaggery 100 grams, chop into small pieces. Tamarind 100 grams, soak with very little water for 10 minutes. Salt 3 teaspoons. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Oil 6 tablespoons. Mustard seeds 2 teaspoons. Fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon. Bengal gram 1 tablespoon. Asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. Red chillies 100 grams. Curry leaves few. Place a small pan on stove at low flame. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Stir once and dry roast them. Keep stirring at regular intervals and roast till mustard seeds crackle and fenugreek seeds become dark brown. Once they are roasted like this, then switch off stove and let them cool. Place a pan on stove at medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add red chillies. Stir once and let them fry at low flame. Keep stirring continuously and roast them. Once they are roasted like this, then switch off stove and let them cool. Place a pan on stove at medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add ginger pieces and turmeric powder. Stir once and let them fry. Keep stirring at regular intervals and fry for 5 minutes. Once ginger is fried like this, then switch off stove. Take them in a bowl and let them cool. Place the pan again on stove at low flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add soaked tamarind along with water. Stir once and let it cook. Keep stirring at regular intervals and cook till water evaporates and tamarind becomes thick. Once tamarind is thick like this, then switch off stove and let it cool. Take red chillies in a mixie. Add roasted mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Grind them into coarse powder like this. Add ginger, tamarind, salt and jaggery. Grind them into semi-thick paste by adding very little water. You can make chutney thin by adding more water. Place a small ladle on stove at medium flame for tempering. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, Bengal gram and asafoetida. Stir once and fry till mustard seeds crackle and Bengal gram becomes golden brown. Add curry leaves. Stir once and fry for a minute. Switch off stove and pour tempering on chutney. Mix well. Chutney consistency will be like this. You can store this in an airtight container up to 2 weeks in refrigerator. That's it. Sweet and spicy ginger chutney is ready to eat. Serve it with hot idli, dosa, vada, uttappam, etc.
So, we have seen how easy it is to make 3 different chutneys which can be served as side dish for idli, dosa, vada, uttappam, etc. at home. You try them once and let me know how they are in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting the Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.